In this video, I'm going to show you how to make infinite craft in Infinite Craft. So the first thing you want to do is combine earth with water to get a plant, and then plant with another plant to get a tree, and now tree with another tree to get a forest, and now forest with yet another forest to get a jungle. Now we put that to the side, and then we want earth together with wind to get dust, and then dust with fire, which will give us ash. And then you want to put that to the side and combine water with dust, so water and dust, which gives you mud. And then you want to combine earth with fire, which gives you lava. And then if you combine lava with water, you get a stone. Okay, and then if you combine stone with wind, there we go, you will get sand. And now fire and sand will give you glass, and then fire and wind, so fire and wind will give you smoke, and now smoke plus glass gives you a mirror. And now if you put together two earths, so like that, you get a mountain. And then ash plus fire, we have ash over here, you add the fire, you get a phoenix. And if you combine phoenix with a mud, you get a bird. And then if you combine a bird with a jungle, you get a parrot. And then mirror with a mountain gives you echo. Okay, and if you combine echo with a parrot, excuse me, this gives you a repeat. And if you combine two repeats, this gives you a loop. And if you combine loop with a repeat, it's a repeat loop, so it's an infinity or infinite. Okay, so you put that to the side, and then we need the other part. Now this will be Minecraft. Okay, so we want to put together fire and water to get steam, and then fire and steam to get the engine, and now earth with fire to get lava, and then lava with water to get stone. Okay, once you've got stone, you want to combine engine with sand, which we already have over here. So engine with sand will give you a sandbox, and then earth with wind, so earth and wind, which gives you dust. And then you want to combine dust with earth, so we have dust and earth, which gives you a planet. And if you combine together planet and sandbox, you get Minecraft. We can remove this stone. And now if we want to get an infinite craft, you want to combine infinite and Minecraft, which gives you Infinite Craft.